Hi, this is Jeffrey. One of the questions in the Facebook group I belong to was from a person saying they own a bunch of domain names, and what they'd like to do is to see if there's other TLDs. So for example, if they owned abc.com, would abc.ca.cool.partner.club, would they be available? And the person was asking, is there software to do that? So I'm in website webhostingservices.com. That's the hosting provider that I use, and also it is my business. So in here, I thought we can answer that question. I'm going to go to register domains, and I'm going to go click on here, register transfer domains. Now what I did is I've gone out and I've selected 3 or 4 domain names. We have a feature here called bulk search, and I'm going to place those domain names there. Now you can, I just put 3, but you could have as many as you want. Make sure it's just the domain name, not with the TLD at the end. Going down here, I'm going to select none. Oh, not none, excuse me. I'm going to select all. All right. So this is what it's going to do. It's going to, those domain names, it's going to go and see if any of these TLDs are registered for that, for those domain names. So it's going to look at like today, land, works, media, plus, cheat, coupons, you name it, it's here. All right. So I'm going to click search, and the system's going to go over, and you see on the side here it's working. So windsorengines.com, that's taken, of course. I own that one. But look, Jeffrey, man, I should smarten up and go out and register some of these as well. So somebody owns windsorengines.club. Have no idea who that is. I could click on the who is here to find out, but we won't for this example. Scrolling down, somebody owns windsorengines.se. So it puts in my mind, I wonder, windsorengines.cn, or excuse me, .pt. I wonder if these folks would be interested in windsorengines.com, which I own. So there's an opportunity. Let's scroll down further. Windsor Engines, ES, windsorengines.gr.coi. Anyway, you get the drift of what we're talking about here, right? So it goes down and it'll show you all of the ones that are either registered or available. Now let's go down and we'll check one of the other names. I know, okay, so Windsor Home Improvements. So Windsor Home Improvements, let's go up to the .com. We'll start there, windsorhomeimprovements.com. So I own that one. So .ca is available, .net, .co, .uk, .services. Oh, somebody owns Windsor Home Improvement .club. That's interesting. All right, we'll continue on. Windsor Home Improvement.se. In any case, you get the drift of it. So the answer is yes, you can do a bulk search. Now, if you put in, you know, depending on how fast your internet connection and everything is, depending on how many you put in here at a time, and how many of these TLDs that you want to see. And for my service, as quickly as TLDs become available, I try to get them in here. That's it. Oh, by the way, if you would love to have this service or try it, membership is the cost of one domain name. You only have to register one domain name with us to get all of the services that are here. One domain name, it could be any TLD, and you don't need any hosting, and you'll also get 3 email addresses with that domain name too. Anyway, that's my service and answer to the question, can you bulk check domain names?